Yangon, has many wonderful buildings. One of the finest collections in Southeast Asia, dating back centuries. Some colonial, some traditional, the city is home to some rare and ancient architecture, such as the Shwedagon Pagoda, the most important Buddhist temple in Myanmar. Many of these buildings have fallen into disrepair as a result of many years of Myanmar's economic isolation. Until now, there has been very little economic impetus to restore or even maintain these buildings. But as Myanmar enters a moment of incredible economic potential, it has the opportunity that many cities have lost to preserve its heritage and retain its unique character. 501 Merchant Street is one such building which has fallen into disrepair after years of neglect. The mission of Turquoise Mountain is to bring this beautiful building back to its former glory, whilst at the same time keeping existing tenants and shopkeepers in the building.
This project at Merchant Street has secured the future of an elegant example of downtown Yangon's historic architecture. But it's also secured the future and the home for the 80 or so residents who live in and around the building. This is a community that's grown organically over many years, and they've been a real driving force in pushing the project forward, and one of the key reasons why I selected this building as our first renovation project.
ထိန်းသိမ်းဆောက်ရှောက်တာအခုလိုမျိုးဒီလိုမျိုးပြင်လိုက်တယ်ဆိုတော့လေအရန်ကောင်းငယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့ခါတိုင်းဆိုရင်စိတ်ထဲကတနှုံနှုံနဲ့ဟဲ့ဘယ်တော့မှဘယ်နေရာမှာဘာများဖြစ်မလဲပေါ့အဲ့လိုမျိုးတွေစိတ်တော့မရှိတော့ဘူးပေါ့နော်ဒီအတွက်ကတော့စိတ်မပြေမန်းတော့ဘူးပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါတခုတော့ကောင်းတယ်
Myanmar's lack of economic progress has also led to a shortage of skilled workers. Turquoise Mountain is working to play its part in addressing this by training hundreds of people in traditional skills and heritage crafts.
Alongside the building project, we've run a programme of vocational training covering everything from decorative lime plasterwork to architectural carpentry. And for me, this has been one of the most exciting parts of the project. We've managed to train over 250 people, and just seeing how excited they are and how thirsty they are for this knowledge and skills has really been hugely rewarding.
What we're trying to teach local tradespeople here is how to interpret the building and do a quick repair without damaging the bricks and damaging plasterwork near the brick. But it's also a bit of detective work to also try and figure out what's happened before.
ပညာလည်းရပါတယ်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ဒီကိုမလုပ်တတ်တဲ့ပညာတွေတော်တော်များများရပါတယ်အများကြီးရပါတယ်သူတို့ကနောက်ကျတော့တေးချတယ်လုပ်တာသင်ပေးတဲ့နေရာမှာစိတ်ရှိတယ်ကိုလည်းနောက်ပိုင်းကျရင်လည်းမျိုးစီးစနစ်တကျဖြစ်လာမှာပါနိုင်တိုးတက်ပါတယ်
ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီဟာဒီစာအုပ်တွေ line cluster နဲ့ပဲသူတို့စခဲ့တဲ့ဟာတွေဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်အဲ့လိုနီးနဲ့ပြန်ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ပြင်မွမ်းမှာဖြစ်တဲ့ဒီသင်တန်းကိုဒီ Turquoise Mountain ကနေဒီနိုင်ငံခြားကနေပညာရှင်ခေါ်တယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီမှာတက်ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်
The plasterwork tells us a story. So if we study a piece of plasterwork that we have to repair for, 10 or 15 minutes, we'll notice little joint lines between the coats and little marks that show us where somebody had used a trowel. So the plaster actually tells us that itself. All you have to do is look.
The people are walking over the MDF plywood, This is solid wood. Solid wood and manufacturing wood is totally different. Solid wood is like a cellulose material. They are alive. We have to consider their breathing quality and swelling and shrinkage. What will happen?
ဆောက်ဟောင်းတွေပြန်ပြီးပြတဲ့အခါမှာတကယ်အများကြီးကြုံတွေ့ရပါတယ်။ဘာလို့ဆိုတော့ဟိုတုန်းကလက်သမားဆရာကြီးပေါ့နော်။လုပ်ခဲ့တဲ့ဟာတွေကလက်ရအများမြောက်တယ်။ကျွန်တော်တို့အဲ့ဒီလက်ရကိုမှီကန်းအောင်အများကြီးချိန်ပေးလုပ်ရတယ်။နောက်ခုလမ်းလေးစင်မှာလုံနေအလုံးဆိုတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ကတော့အများကြီးဂုဏ်ယူပါတယ်။ဂုဏ်ယူပါတယ်ဟိုတုန်းကဘယ်လိုကောင်းမှာမနော်ဟိုတော့အဆောက်အဟောင်းကြီးကိုလည်းပြန်တဲ့အတွက်ကကျွန်တော်တို့ဒါထိသိရမှာကျွန်တော်တို့မှာတောင်းလည်းရှိတယ်။အားကြောင့်ဂုဏ်လည်းဂုဏ်ယူတယ်ပညာတွေလည်းအများကြီးရတယ်။ဟုတ်ကဲ့
With 501 Merchant Street now complete, the Turquoise Mountain Trust will look to continue its mission to restore historic areas, create jobs and nurture skills and traditional crafts.
It's It's been a wonderful journey, a great challenge, and we're just delighted to have delivered a really beautiful building, secured the community within it, and also trained hundreds of people in traditional building skills. But more than that, I think it's a legacy that will inspire and enable other people to do something similar at what I think is really a critical time in Yangon's development.